What's up guys, I'm Random Frank P, and we're back here with another massive random tech haul. I did one of these back in February and it actually did a lot better than I thought. I think it got around like 75,000 plus views, which is definitely good for things that aren't really tech reviews on my channel. So I figured I had some things lying around. I'm ordered some things off of Amazon lately, and why not do like an unboxing and like a kind of, unboxing tech haul for you guys, because yeah, like the last one. I've got around 9 to 10 boxes here. And yeah, let's just hang out, take a chill. And first thing we have today is something pretty cool. From Jelly Key, it is an artisan keycap, the Emerald Cliff. I'll show you guys an up close shot of this, but this thing's really stuck on here. All right, nice looking keycap. I don't know. I saw this available on, I think it was Jelly Key, like I said. It's a nice little artisan keycap. I actually have a pretty cool keyboard coming in over the next few months, and this was definitely, kind of my aesthetic, so I figured I wanted to pick it up, because I don't really have many artisan keycaps like this. Kind of like little collector's items, but when I saw this, definitely thought it was, definitely my style. I like it. Like I said, the Emerald Cliff. Unfortunately, the keycap isn't available anymore. It was part of an artisan group buy I did a few months ago. It was 50 bucks, which is kind of expensive for a single keycap, but I'll still put the Jelly Link store in the description for you guys. And ooh, I know what this is. So I have a video coming up pretty soon. It's been in the works for a minute. So I picked up a second PS Vita, and hold on. So this is the Vita that I've had for past few months now. I've messed around with it. Got a second one here. I'm doing like a handhelds in 2018 video coming up pretty soon. It's gonna be pretty cool, interesting. I like the way I'm going with it. I picked up a second one because I'm probably gonna be doing a giveaway. I've got two of most things I'm showing off, so I just wanted to get another one. I love this aqua blue color it comes in. Most of these now, since they're not really sold in the US anymore, are from Japan, so like they're Japanese imports, and they come in really nice, vibrant colors. So I was a big fan of the blue, but keep an eye out for that video coming up soon. Next, I know what this is. You guys probably won't care. All right, so I don't know what it is lately, but I've been just like all about different wallets, and this one is from Herschel. It's just really nice and simple. Nice, like a dark gray fabric on the outside, black leather on the inside. Yeah, I don't know. I like Herschel stuff. This is only like 35 or 40 bucks, really. But yeah, I've just been like collecting different styles of wallets over the past few months. Don't know why I've like gotten into that kind of thing, like an EDC. I did like an EDC video, showed some wallets off, but yeah, I don't know. I've been all about it. But yeah, 40 bucks, can't complain really. And going right along with that, with the PlayStation Vita video, this is also gonna be included with it. I got a Switch. I've never owned a Switch before. Voice kind of cracked there. Never owned a Switch. Heard a bunch of good things, but I've never really been much of a Nintendo guy. But for this video, I wanted to pick one up. And what I like about this one in particular, y'all already know what it is. Got it decked out from D brand here. Cause I just released their new skins for the Switch, and I was like, all right, those look pretty fire. Haven't checked them out before, so let me do it. And I got it in this nice white and blue color combo. So this is gonna be a part of that handhelds in 2018 video. But this color right here, white and blue, definitely fire. Put that over here for now. What else we got? We're just moving right along. This is a graphics card, judging by the box. And you've probably seen a lot of videos on this recently. From Galax, the new, I don't know if it's new, but their 1070 Ti, I believe it is. Yeah. All right, so this is the EX Sniper. I've always been a fan of Galax. I've always had their white Hall of Fame cards. But as you guys have probably seen over the past, week or so, a lot of tech YouTubers have putting out videos and reviews on this. So I'm gonna save this probably once the newer generation of graphics cards come out, and then benchmark this comparatively, because I feel like the 1070 Ti, once prices start to normalize, is gonna be like the best bang for your buck if you're trying to get really good value. But like I said, this is gonna be after the newer generation of cards come out. So these should drop in price and still, get pretty good performance. But the one thing that I've been hearing about this, people have been complaining about, is that the white is like an eggshell white, or it's like an off-white. Yeah, it's kind of like, almost like a tan color, which is just stupid, Galax. We want white. That's the main thing, come on, man. I think like something got messed up along their production line and they didn't realize it until afterwards, and they had a bunch of these like tan cards and they were like, oh shit, gotta roll it anyways. All right, so this box is from Razer. I don't wanna mess up all the framing here. So they sent over, if you guys remember last month when I did, this will kind of lead me to my next thing too. Last month when I did my building a like mobile Razer desk setup, I had the LifeX like beam up on the wall behind it, and actually literally the day after I made that video, those LifeX that strip I used just died. Only like two of the actual strips worked, and there was like 6 total, and it just stopped working. The colors got all weird. So once Razer actually saw the video, they were like, hey, you know, we partnered with Philips, so you can now sync all your Chroma products with the Philips light bulbs. So they sent over a Hue bulb. If you guys remember also at CES, I did a video in the Razer booth, and this was like part of the thing that I showed off. We got 2 Hue bulbs, plus the Philips Hue bridge here, so you can sync them all together. And again, you can sync all your Razer gear with this. So all the chroma lighting is going, pulsing everywhere in your walls and stuff. Plus we have the Philips Hue light strip, and then the Razer SDK and their Chroma HDK. I also did a video on this, I think a few months ago, which is like their very own Razer light strips. And now you can combine all this stuff together and get a pretty cool RGB room going on with all your Razer gear. But that's gonna lead me, just like I was talking about. So in that video, what I did was I showed off the Core V2 and their Razer Blade laptop, and that was all just loaner units. Like I didn't actually get that for free from them, but I liked that setup so much that I went out and I bought the 13-inch blade for myself in the gunmetal finish, and I just love the way this looks. Like it's like an off silver. Actually, I unboxed this yesterday, and I kind of boxed it back up for this video, which is why I was just here waiting for it. But love the laptop. The performance for the size of this thing is insane. It's so lightweight and tiny, and the gunmetal is a really nice change up from like the silver from MacBooks, or the darker color on their older Razer Blade models. But this gunmetal is really, really nice. Like I said, I just like that whole setup I had going on so much that I did actually pick it up. And this is gonna go along like a future video, integrating all the Hue stuff. We'll see. All right, winding down here. What? Very lightweight. All right. For those of you who don't know, my wedding's coming up in 20-something days. I'm getting married the 25th of May. And I'm working on some things for my groomsmen, like groomsmen gifts. This is a little part of something I'm making. So growing up, we were very young when the whole Pokemon phase was coming out. And I'm making something for my groomsmen. And I got a bunch of the starter Pokemon here. Everyone's favorite starter Pokemon I picked up. I'm actually gonna be making like a Pokemon terrarium for all my groomsmen. It's like a little gift. Hope they're not watching. But yeah, these are, I still love the little Pokemon toys like this. I had a ton of these growing up when I was a kid. And like I said, just got the starter ones. They're like $7 a piece. So I got, Charmander, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, and I have, 6 total here. So that should be cool. What else we got? Is that it for here? One more thing. And then wrapping this one up, last thing we got here. LG sent over their brand new 65-inch 4K NanoCell TV. If you guys remember I believe it was in September when I did my review on their first NanoCell TV. This is the new one that we just got in. Gonna be doing a video on this because I was a huge fan of that model. This is a brand new one. So I'll probably be doing a review on this in the next few weeks. Keep an eye out for it if you want to see a pretty awesome 4K TV that is massive. All right, so that'll pretty much wrap it up for this one. Like I said, just a little random tech haul that I got going on. You guys liked the first time I did it, so I figured why not do it again? And you kind of got a peek at some things we're gonna see in future videos, like the Switch and the PlayStation Vitas and stuff like that. But you know, it's like a little spoiler for future videos, so don't get annoyed and freaked out if you see all these things again coming up. But yeah, just some things that I picked up recently, some things that got sent to me that are gonna be using around the studio and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. And if you like this kind of, you know, informal, just me chatting with you guys, standing up, unboxing things like this, let me know if you want to see me do more unboxing / random tech haul videos in the future. And let me know about my glasses. You know, I wore them in my last video also. Some guy was like, man, no offense, but stick to contacts. I'm just like, yeah, your mom should have raised you better. But let me know if you like these or not. I don't know. I usually just, you know, don't wear glasses at all. I'll just, you know, talk to the camera like this. Now I can't see anything. But yeah, still a side note. So if you liked the video, guys, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.